Hi, hello dear students, welcome to my channel Maths with Panindra. In this video, we are going to discuss IIT JEE Mains and EAMCET BITSAT type limits problems. Let us have a discussion. Question. We can use as a shortcut formula also this question. Limit extends to 0, a power x plus b power x plus c power x divided by 3 whole power 1 by x equal to. So here x is equal to 0 if we substitute, the given limit reaches to 1 power infinity. X is equal to 0, substitute in the numerator 1 plus 1 plus 1, a power 0 plus b power 0 plus c power 0. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3, 3 by 3 is 1. 1 by 1 power 0 means 1 power infinity. Whenever the limit reaches to 1 power infinity, in the previous classes also I discussed. So this first bracket value is f of x, whole power 1 by x is g of x. So limit extends to 0, f of x whole power g of x reaches to 1 power infinity. The given limit we can write it as f of x whole power e power exponential of e power, that means g of x into f of x minus 1, we can write like this. See here, before that I am going to give some hint. Limit extends to 0, f of x whole power g of x reaches to 1 power infinity. Then we can express the given limit e power, limit extends to 0, g of x into f of x minus 1. This is the way you have to write it. So according to that, f of x is this value and g of x is this one. This is g of x, this is f of x. Now e power g of x into, that means 1 by x into, limit also you need to take that limit, e power limit extends to 0, limit extends to 0, g of x 1 by x into f of x minus 1, a power x plus b power x plus c power x divided by 3 minus 1. So after that, how to proceed? E power limit extends to 0, 1 by x, take LCM here 3, a power x plus b power x plus c power x minus 3. Limit e power limit extends to 0, 1 by x into, here minus 3 is there, no, that we can write it as a power x plus b power x plus c power x minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 divided by 3. E power limit extends to 0, 1 by x into a power x minus 1, you can write as one term, plus b power x minus 1, we can write as another term. The rest of the terms c power x minus 1 divided by 3. So here 3 and x, you can interchange the places and we can write it as e power limit extends to 0, 1 by 3, a power x minus 1 plus b power x minus 1 plus c power x minus 1 divided by x. Now a plus b plus c by x means a by x plus b by x plus c by x. Like this we can split it. So e power limit extends to 0, 1 by 3, a power x minus 1 divided by x plus b power x minus 1 divided by x plus c power x minus 1 divided by x. So which is equal to e power 1 by 3. Limit apply for each and every term. Limit extends to 0. A power x minus 1 by x plus limit extends to 0. B power x minus 1 divided by x. Limit extends to 0. C power x minus 1 divided by x, which is equal to e power 1 by 3. We know that limit extends to 0, a power x minus 1 by x value is log a to the base e, plus limit extends to 0, b power x minus 1 by x log b to the base e, plus limit extends to 0, c power x minus 1 by x log c to the base e. We know that from properties of logarithms, log a plus log b plus log c is log abc. So we can write it as e power 1 by 3. This bracket value we can write it as log of abc to the base e. By using logarithm properties, again 1 by 3 into log of abc to the base c can be expressed as m log a can be written as what? Log a power m. Similarly, e power log abc whole power 1 by 3 to the base e. Again we have another formula, e power log f of x to the base e is equal to f of x. In place of f of x, what value is there here? So abc whole power 1 by 3. Now onwards, you remember as a shortcut formula this one, limit x tends to 0, a power x plus b power x plus c power x divided by 3 whole power 1 by x is equal to abc whole power 1 by 3. From this you have to learn one other logic here. Suppose here 4 terms are there. You can get a, b, c, d whole power 1 by 4. Suppose n terms are there. Suppose for example, limit extends to 0. A1 power x plus b1 a2 power x, a3 power x plus a4 power x, a5 power x by 5 whole power 1 by x is there. What is that answer? Directly you can write that. Here the product of ABC only, no? So here also product of a1 into a2 into a3 into a4 into a5 whole power 1 by 5. This is the way. Suppose 3 terms are there, the product of the ABC whole power that value. This is the way you can. One more example based on this. Limit extends to 0, 1 power x plus 2 power x plus 3 power x plus and so on, n power x divided by n whole power 1 by x is equal to options n factorial whole power n. Second option, n factorial whole power 1 by n. Third option, n factorial. Fourth option, log of n factorial. See, by using shortcut formula, in place of a, b, c, d and so what values are there? Which is equal to 1 into 2 into 3 into and so on into n. How many numbers are there? N numbers are there. So 1 by n. We know that 1 into 2 into 3 into and so on n, it is product of n numbers. Product of n numbers is equal to n factorial. N factorial whole power 1 by n. So the answer is n factorial whole power 1 by n, which is there in the second option. I hope everyone understand that. This is the way you can use this formula. Suppose for example only two terms are there, a power x plus b power x, limit x tends to 0. So you will get root ab or ab whole power 1 by 2. A power x plus b power x divided by 2 whole power 1 by x is there. So how to write that answer? Answers for that: ab root ab square a square b square. So in the answer step we can write easily. So according to again this formula, how many terms are there in this? Two terms are there. So product of a into b whole power 1 by how many numbers are there? Two terms are there. So that means ab power 1 by 2. Otherwise we can write it as root ab. Both are same answers. So which is there in the second option. In place of a comma b, whatever the values are there, we can utilize as a shortcut formula. Thank you dear students for watching my channel. Please do subscribe and share to your friends. Thank you all.